Hi. In this video we will be talking about tricks to mastering your credit card. Watch this video to the end to learn all about this. Welcome back to the International CEO. Tips and Tricks to Mastering Your Credit Card offers a comprehensive guide to navigating the world of credit cards effectively. Understanding how to manage your credit card can significantly impact your financial well-being. Here, we delve into strategies, insights, and practical advice to empower you in making informed decisions about your credit card usage. Begin by comprehending the fundamentals of credit cards, including interest rates, fees, and credit limits. Educate yourself about the importance of maintaining a good credit score and how your credit card usage influences it. Explore different types of credit cards available in the market and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Develop a budgeting plan to track your expenses and ensure responsible spending within your means. Implement strategies to avoid debt accumulation, such as paying your balance in full each month and avoiding unnecessary purchases. Utilize credit card rewards and perks to maximize benefits, such as cashback, travel rewards, or points for purchases. Monitor your credit card statements regularly to detect any unauthorized transactions or errors promptly. Understand the implications of minimum payments and aim to pay more than the minimum to reduce interest charges and pay off your balance faster. Explore balance transfer options if you're carrying high interest debt on another credit card, but be mindful of associated fees and terms. Exercise caution when considering credit card cash advances, as they often come with high fees and interest rates. Familiarize yourself with credit card fraud prevention measures, such as safeguarding your card information and being vigilant of phishing scams. Communicate with your credit card issuer if you encounter financial difficulties, as they may offer assistance or hardship programs. Take advantage of credit card benefits, such as purchase protection and extended warranties, to safeguard your purchases. Avoid making late payments by setting up automatic payments or reminders to ensure timely bill payments. Evaluate the benefits of credit card insurance coverage, such as travel insurance or rental car insurance, before making purchases. Opt for a secured credit card if you have limited or poor credit history to build or rebuild your credit responsibly. Be cautious of credit card fees, such as annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and late payment fees, and factor them into your spending decisions. Utilize credit card tracking tools and apps to monitor your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Seek professional financial advice if you're uncertain about managing your credit card effectively or need assistance in developing a personalized financial plan. The journey to mastering your credit card involves not just understanding its intricacies but also implementing sound financial habits and strategies. In this extended guide, we'll delve deeper into various aspects of credit card management, offering additional tips and insights to help you navigate this financial tool with confidence and efficiency. Credit Utilization Ratio. Your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, plays a crucial role in determining your credit score. Aim to keep this ratio low, ideally below 30%, as high utilization can negatively impact your credit score. Regularly monitor your utilization and strive to pay down balances to improve your score over time. Credit Score Monitoring. Keeping track of your credit score is essential for understanding your financial health and identifying areas for improvement. Many credit card issuers now provide free access to your credit score through their online portals or mobile apps. Take advantage of these resources to stay informed about any changes to your score and to track your progress over time. Authorized users. Adding an authorized user to your credit card account can have both benefits and drawbacks. While it can help someone establish or improve their credit history, as the primary cardholder, you're ultimately responsible for any charges incurred by the authorized user. Proceed with caution and only add trusted individuals who will use the card responsibly. Credit card churning. Some individuals engage in credit card churning, a practice where they open multiple credit card accounts to take advantage of sign-up bonuses and rewards. While this strategy can yield significant rewards if done correctly, it also comes with risks, such as potential damage to your credit score and the temptation to overspend to meet minimum spending requirements. Approach credit card churning cautiously and only if it aligns with your financial goals. Credit card closing. When closing a credit card account, consider the potential impact on your credit score. Closing a card can affect your credit utilization ratio and average account age, which are factors in determining your credit score. If you decide to close a card, aim to pay off any outstanding balances first and consider keeping older accounts open to maintain a longer credit history. Credit limit increases. Requesting a credit limit increase can provide more flexibility with your credit card usage and improve your credit utilization ratio. However, be mindful of the potential impact on your credit score and your ability to manage increased credit limits responsibly. Only request a credit limit increase if you have a demonstrated history of responsible credit card usage and can resist the temptation to overspend. Credit counseling. If you're struggling to manage your credit card debt or facing financial hardship, credit counseling can provide valuable assistance. Nonprofit credit counseling agencies offer services such as debt management plans, budgeting assistance, and financial education to help you regain control of your finances. Seek out reputable credit counseling organizations accredited by the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, NFCC, for personalized guidance. Credit card terms and conditions. Take the time to review the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement carefully. Pay attention to details such as interest rates, fees, grace periods, and rewards programs. Understanding these terms will help you make informed decisions about your credit card usage and avoid surprises or unexpected charges. Credit card consolidation loans. If you're carrying high-interest credit card debt, consolidating your debts with a personal loan or balance transfer credit card can potentially save you money on interest charges. However, carefully compare the terms and fees associated with consolidation options and ensure that you're not trading short-term savings for long-term financial strain. Financial responsibility. Ultimately, mastering your credit card requires a commitment to financial responsibility and discipline. Practice mindful spending, regularly review your financial goals, and adjust your habits accordingly. By cultivating healthy financial habits and staying informed about your credit card options, you can leverage this financial tool to your advantage while avoiding common pitfalls and pitfalls. In conclusion, mastering your credit card is a journey that requires diligence, knowledge, and self-discipline. By implementing the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you can take control of your credit card usage and achieve greater financial stability. Remember to regularly assess your financial situation, monitor your credit card activity, and adjust your habits as needed to ensure long-term success. Continuing on the path to mastering your credit card, let's delve into additional strategies and considerations that can further enhance your financial management skills and optimize your credit card usage. Credit card rewards optimization. To maximize the benefits of your credit card rewards program, take the time to understand the earning structure and redemption options available to you. Some cards offer bonus rewards in specific categories such as dining, groceries, or travel. By strategically using your card for purchases in these categories, you can earn more rewards over time. Additionally, explore redemption options such as cashback, travel rewards, gift cards, or statement credits to make the most of your accumulated rewards. Credit card fees negotiation. Don't hesitate to contact your credit card issuer to inquire about waiving or reducing certain fees, such as annual fees or late payment fees. Be polite but firm in your request, and highlight your loyalty as a cardholder to strengthen your case. Credit card monitoring services. Consider enrolling in credit card monitoring services or identity theft protection programs offered by credit bureaus or third-party providers. These services can alert you to suspicious activity on your credit card accounts, unauthorized access to your credit report, or changes to your credit score. While there may be a fee associated with these services, the added peace of mind and security they provide may be worth the investment, particularly if you're concerned about identity theft or fraud. Credit card use abroad. If you plan to use your credit card while traveling internationally, be aware of foreign transaction fees and currency conversion rates that may apply to your purchases. Look for credit cards that offer no foreign transaction fees to avoid unnecessary charges. Additionally, notify your credit card issuer of your travel plans in advance to prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity while abroad. Keep a record of your card's customer service contact information in case you encounter any issues or emergencies during your travels. Credit card balance transfers. When transferring balances from one credit card to another, be mindful of balance transfer fees, introductory APR periods, and ongoing interest rates. While balance transfers can be a useful strategy for consolidating debt or reducing interest charges, calculate the total cost and potential savings before proceeding. Aim to pay off the transferred balance within the promotional period to maximize the benefits of the offer and avoid accruing additional interest. Credit card payment strategies. Experiment with different payment strategies to find what works best for your financial situation and spending habits. Some individuals prefer to pay their credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and maintain a positive payment history. Others may benefit from making multiple payments throughout the billing cycle to keep their balances low and improve their credit utilization ratio. Find a payment strategy that aligns with your budget and financial goals, and stick to it consistently. Credit card credit limit management. Keep a close eye on your credit card credit limits and utilization ratios to avoid exceeding your available credit or negatively impacting your credit score. Requesting credit limit increases responsibly can provide more financial flexibility, but avoid excessive borrowing beyond your means. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio low by paying down balances regularly and using credit wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.